The 8 freeway in Arizona is just loaded with these cops. Everywhere you go. Stopping truck drivers, stopping. Okay guys, let's take it easy here. Hi. Hi. Hey. It's kind of scary heading out into the desert. This is where your basic Timothy McVeigh type guy comes to shoot. I'm gonna get shot. They're back there reloading. I'm gonna have to get way up here to get my picture. Okay. Okay. He's beautiful. Huh. Good luck, little guy. Welcome to the majesty of the southwestern desert, or whatever it might be. Oh yeah, it's hot out here. Well, I happen to be headed on out here, and I just happened to come across my customer who was taking some stuff to the dump, and the wheel had fallen off of his little car. So he's gonna lead me there, and I'm gonna save him if the wheel falls off again. And a quick left. It says no outlet. And another hard left. And off-roading we go. We go nice and slow. Okay, let's just say that I'd better be able to get this truck turned around, because these are dirt. This is the crazy driving right here. Look at that. I really don't want to scare this guy with this horse. Oh, he's scared. I can tell he's scared. Well, it looks like I just might make it. I got one more turn to go, and I'm gonna back up, and his property is like over there. Oh, it's too stressful. Run, dear, run! And we are good. Nice. This is my customer who's moving into this house that has a hangar because there's a private airport right on the other side of these bushes. That'd be pretty boss. Pretty boss indeed.